Love Klarna and want to share it with your friends while earning a reward? In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna's referral program. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna's Invite Friends program is a classic win-win. Your friends get a welcome offer, and you get a reward when they make a purchase. Open the Klarna app and go to your Account or Profile section. Look for an option called Invite Friends, get $10, or something similar. You'll be given a unique referral link. You can share this link directly via text, email, or social media. When your friend signs up using your link and makes a qualifying purchase, like their first order, the reward is triggered for both of you. A crucial pro tip: always check the terms of the current offer. The reward amount and the requirements for your friend's first purchase can change. Make sure you and your friend understand what's needed to qualify so there's no disappointment. And just like that, you're spreading the word and earning rewards at the same time. Sending Klarna invites is a great way to share a useful tool. What's the best reward you've gotten from a referral program? Was it cash, credit, or something else? For immediate payment, subscribe for our next video on how to use the Klarna Pay Now option. Thanks for watching.